welcome back to my channel and thank you all for joining me once again. Happy Sunday and happy new week to you all. We are now in the second week of this ad cycle, meaning that every day you did last week can be done again. And we also received the same mystery offers we got last week. The first item I have here will be the SNL polish. They're on sale for buy 3 get the fourth one free, and it's not giving back any extra care box. Pick up one of the nail polishes priced at $10.49. We all received a $3 mystery offer, and I also have a $3 SCCRT I got through text message. I've been getting these 2 of 10 SCCRT for weeks now. With these 3 CRTs, it will drop it down to $2.49 only. If you don't want to do the buy 3 get $10 back on CoverGirl Cosmetics, you can pick up the hydrating cream cleanser, the ones that are tagged 50% off. It's originally priced at $10.99, but with the 50% off, it's going to drop down to $5.49. And using the $5 digital coupon we have, you will pay just 49 cents. Or you can pick up the lipstick, originally priced at $10.79, and with the 50% off, you will pay just 40 cents out of pocket. The next deal I have will be on Garnier Facial Care. They're on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off, and when you buy 2, you get 5 back. Pick up 2 of the Skin Active Eye Makeup Remover Pads. They are priced at $7.79. That means the second one will be $3.90. Both will total $11.69. We currently have a $2 in our app, and I also have a 2 of 10 Garnier Facial Care CRT. The coupon and the CRT will drop it down to $7.69, and you get 5 back, making both just $6.69 or $1.35 each. The next deal I have is spend 20 get 10 back, and Copper Tone Sun Care and Nivea Body Wash are included in this deal. Last week I shared the deal with Copper Tone. In case you didn't see that video, you can go check it out. But this week I will be focusing on Nivea Women Body Wash. Pick up 3. They are priced at $7.29 each. All 3 will total $21.87. We don't have any coupon in our app for this, but if you have a percentage of CRT and you don't mind paying out of pocket, you can use it with this deal. Without any coupon or CRT, pay the $21.87 and get 10 back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1.50 on each. That means you will get $4.50 from Ibotta, making all 3 just $7.37 or $2.46 each. The next deal I have will be on CVS brand body wash and hand and body lotion. They are part of the spend 12 get $4 back, limit of 1 per week. Pick up 2 CVS shea butter and oatmeal body wash priced at $4.99. To complete this deal, pick up the lotion priced at $2.79. All 3 items will total $12.77. We don't have any coupon for this, but if you have any CRT in your app, you can adjust the math. Without no coupons or CRT, pay the $12.77 and get 4 back. Submit your receipt to Ibotta for $2 back on each body wash and $1 back for the lotion, making all 3 just $3.77 or $1.26 each. The next deal I have will be the spend 30 get 10 back, limit of 1, but I have 4 options for you guys. The first option I have is to pick up 5 of the Well Market popcorns. They're on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off. Pick up 5 and they are priced at $3.99. And make sure you're picking up the white cheddar because that's the one that is attaching to the Ibotta offer. To complete this deal, pick up 5 of the Well Market blue corn tortilla chips, priced at $3.99, and they're on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off. All 10 items will total $29.93, and that's within the 98% rule for spend 30. I have a 2 of 10 Well Market CRT that will drop it down to $27.93. And you get 10 back. Submit your receipt to Ibotta because it's giving back $1 on each bag. For the popcorn, it's a limit of 5, and for the tortilla chips, it's a limit of 5. That means you get $10 back from Ibotta, making all 10 bags just $7.93 or 79 cents each. The second option I have is to pick up the Airwick Essential Mist Starter Kit on sale for $11.99. Then pick up 2 of the refills on sale for $6.99 each. To complete this deal, if your store has the Febreze plug-in warmer priced at $4.79, you can add it, and we have a $2.30 digital coupon that will apply to it. But my store don't have it. Pick up one finished jet dry. They're on sale for buy one get one half off, but we are just picking up one. It's priced at $7.99. All four items will total $33.96. We have a $6 digital coupon for the starter kit, and for the finished product, we have a $3 digital coupon. These two coupons will drop it down to $24.96 and you get 10 back. Check Ibotta because it's giving back $6 when you buy two of the refills and $1 back for the finished jet dry. That will end up making these four products just $7.96 or $1.99 each. The third option I have will be on Ninjamas. They're on sale for 2 for $22. Pick up two, then add one finished jet dry, priced at $7.99. All three items will total $29.99. That's within the 98% rule for the spend 30. We have a 3 off 2 for the Ninjamas, and we also have a $3 in our app for the finished jet dry. These two coupons will drop it down to $23.99 and you get 10 back. Submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1 back for the finished jet dry, and for the Ninjamas, you get a $2 back on each. That means you're getting $5 from Ibotta. After the Ibotta rebate, these three items will end up costing just $8.99 or $3 each. The last option I have will be on Gain products. Pick up one of the Gain fabric softener on sale for $9.99 and pick up one of the Gain fireworks on sale for $9.99. The third item to complete this deal will be the Gain detergent on sale for $9.99. All three items will total $29.97, and that's within the 98% rule for the spend 30. For the Gain detergent, we have a $3 coupon in our app, and we also have a $2 digital coupon for the Gain fireworks and another $2 in our app for the fabric softener. These three coupons will take off $7 and drop it down to $22.97 and you get 10 back. And that will end up making them just $12.97 or $4.32 each. I found these 3 count scotch tape on clearance for $1.46. The last deal I have in this video is not giving back any extra care box, and that will be on select Kellogg cereal, 7.8 to 14.5 ounces. They're on sale for $1.99. Pick up 2, and both will total $3.98. We have a $1 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $2.98, and that will make these 2 boxes just $2.98 or $1.49 each. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for all your support, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.